Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sean from TechTrados.com, YouTube.com/MP. I just want to do a quick unboxing for you guys today of the iPad 7th generation here. So, very quick, very brief unboxing. Don't want to take too much time at all for you guys. But real quick, just to go over what this is. This is the upgrade from the 6th generation. It launched about a year ago, so in 2019. And the biggest improvements that they did here between this and the 6th generation regular iPad is that they increased the screen size about half an inch from 9.7 inches to 10.2 inches. And then they also added the smart connector. So that's a feature that if you have the Apple Smart Connector keyboard, which is something that you could have had with the older iPad Pros, that'll work on this iPad as well. It's a nice feature. I'll show you here. Gives you the 3 pins, so you can just connect the iPad to a keyboard, not have to worry about charging the keyboard or pairing the keyboard via Bluetooth, because everything's done through those connectors. So those are the 2 main upgrades. They kept the price the same at $329 for the 32 gig, and I believe $429. I'll put it down in the description, the prices, but around there for the larger model with more storage. It might be $459. So anyways, so this is the unboxing. This is the product here. You get that Apple shrink wrap. Just gonna rip that and take it off. There we go. Very budget-friendly iPad. Definitely the best tablet you can get in this price range, by far. Now that you also have iPad OS, which gives it a little bit more of a standalone operating system compared to iOS, which was running before, which is just a larger version of the iPhone's operating system. iPad OS is a little bit better, has cursor support now. In addition to that, it also, let's get this open. And in addition to that, it also has support for just more laptop-esque features. For example, desktop class browsing, web browsing. So you got the iPad right here. Take that out. And then underneath that, you have some accessories. You have the manuals designed by Apple in California. You have your charging brick, 12 watt, with USB-A on the other end. You have a USB-A to Lightning connector here, so no fancy USB-C 18 watt charger that you get in the iPad Pro. Right now, that's only available in the iPad Pro series. However, newer iPads are rumored to be coming out soon, a new Air and a new Mini, which might adapt USB-C, and in that case, you might get that 18 watt charger. So we're just gonna press the power button on the top. So you guys can see the iPad, got it in space gray. The one over there is in space gray as well. And we're gonna get this booted up, and I'm just gonna end the video. Probably gonna do more of an in-depth review on it a little bit later on. I've been using this other iPad for quite some time now, same model. So, I've got a chance to use it and kind of see what it's like. Very, very much liking it right now. You can get it for as low as $250 for the 32 gig and $329 for the 128 gig. And that actually reminds me, so the price for the 32 and 128 off sale is actually $329 and $429 respectively for the 2 models. So on sale though, you can get the 32 for $250, and you can get the 128 for $329. So yeah, this is it right here. This is set up. I have the other iPad, so I'm just going to restore it from a backup. So that's all that's going to happen. It's going to be very simple. Apple really does a great process in being able to transfer data over. And if you guys want to learn how to do that, I also have another video. Same process with the iPhone. But I have an iPhone video transferring data from one iPhone to another. Same process will be done on an iPad. You can go from iPad to iPhone, iPad to iPad, iPhone to iPhone, or iPad from iPhone, whatever. So you can go a bunch of different ways. Anyways, like I said, my name's Sean. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them off in the comments. I'll try my best to get back to all of you guys. And if not, I'll see you guys in a later video. You guys have a nice day, and I'll talk to you guys in a later video. Goodbye.